Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the internal server error in Claude AI 2026. An internal server error means Claude servers fail to process your requests. This sounds serious, but in most cases, the issue is temporary and not related to your account. So let's follow these few simple steps to be able to fix this internal server error. Now, the first thing we want to do is to refresh the page. Start simple. Just refresh once, just like this. If you're using the app, you're gonna go back here and go to chats. Once you're gonna open your chat, then uh, you're gonna rewind or refresh this by dragging down this bar until you see the rotation arrow. Once it finishes, wait a few seconds before trying again. If that doesn't work, retry later. Server-side errors are often caused by high traffic or ongoing maintenance, so waiting 5 to 15 minutes usually fixes it. Usually, this solution depends on the other end of the problem, which is Claude in this specific situation. The third thing you want to do is to switch device or browser. You can try Cloud on a different browser, and if you're using an app, you can try the Cloud app by visiting it in a new website. Like this, you can type in Claude, like this, type in Claude AI, and then open the Claude AI in your web browser and see if it works. If it does, then the problem is in your device. You can, or your phone instead of your desktop if you're using it. You can also check your internet stability. A stable internet connection can trigger server errors. So switch networks and disable VPNs and then try again. And that's it. Internal server errors in Cloud are almost always temporary. Once server load stabilizes, Cloud works normally again across all devices. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.